Ever wondered why millionaire investors seem to grow their wealth effortlessly, while others struggle? The truth is, it's not luck, it's habits. And today, I'm revealing the secret millionaire habits that use the power of compounding to build unstoppable wealth. Millionaires don't wait for the perfect time to invest. They start early, even with small amounts, and stay consistent. Why? Because compounding rewards time, not timing. RS5000 invested every month at 12% return over 30 years becomes more than RS117 crore. That's the silent magic of consistency. Average investors spend their dividends. Millionaire investors reinvest them. Every rupee earned is put back to work. This accelerates compounding and creates exponential growth. They spread investments across assets, stocks, mutual funds, real estate, startups, but don't chase every shiny object. Focus plus patience equals sign compounding advantage. Millionaires don't panic during market crashes. In fact, they often buy more. They know short-term volatility is noise, but compounding works best when left untouched for decades. Wealthy investors treat knowledge as an asset. They read books, follow market trends, study businesses. Compounding doesn't only apply to money, it applies to skills. The smarter you get, the better your investments. The real secret? Compounding isn't just a formula, it's a mindset. Millionaire investors protect their money, respect their money, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you want to build wealth like a millionaire, copy their habits. Start small, stay consistent, reinvest, and think long-term. The earlier you begin, the greater your compounding advantage. So tell me, what habit will you start today? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more money secrets.